Shanghai Chem Technology Limited Corporation is committed to the research and production of new types of active substances in cosmetics. We focus on the research and preparation of cutting-edge cosmetic active small molecules. We provide dedicated services for skincare efficacy and formula products. Our technical core team consists of graduates from the Chinese Academy of Sciences and has years of experience in active molecule research. We have published multiple academic papers in domestic and international journals. Additionally, we have obtained certifications from many professional institutions and gained wide credit from the society. We have pioneered in the development of skincare efficacy molecule activity compound formulations. Shanghai Chem Technology Limited Corporation focuses on research and development, has significant social responsibility to drive innovation in this field. We have received awards for innovation from the nation, Shanghai Municipality, Jinshan District, and others. Chem Technology aims to establish the renowned Chem Laboratory in the Shanghai Bay Area and strives to become an excellent Chinese cosmetics chip manufacturer.